Hello you guys, it's me, justakila, and today I have some really good news. My items for the giveaway have finally come in, and I added a new prize and I am ready to show it to you guys. The first thing first, how to enter the giveaway. Go to this video, watch it through to the end. But if you don't want to, skip to the end to figure out how to enter the giveaway. The details are also below. I'm also going to save the year for those of you who want to hear my beautiful voice. So number one, subscribe and click the notification bell to become a part of the notification gang. Yes, tune in to all my new uploads. Bada bing, bada boom. Number two, go ahead and follow my business Instagram at Akila. You can also follow my personal Instagram at CocoBabyKila for updates if you want to. And number three is to leave a comment below, PMU related. Let me know how your experience is going. And I'm also going to go ahead and open it up for you guys to enter underneath this video as well. You do not need to enter twice. You can only enter once. I already have my list going of people who have entered, and thank you so much to the first ones who entered before even seeing the prize. You're really the GOAT, okay? So I went ahead and ordered the kit with one ink, and it comes with this Scalpa tweezers and scissors, two practice skins that I'm not gonna open, your ink rings, you have your mapping string, you have your Line Sure product, which they're gonna teach you about all these products in your course. You have your Scalpa pencil, as well as some Microblade dual-ended pens in 14C and 18U. So you get quite a few of those, which you only need one to practice. So this is more than enough. The pigment that you get is the pigment Earth. That is what comes with the first prize. Well, it's not really a first prize and second prize, but that's what comes with the first prize, which is going to be the microblading course from Scalpa. For those of you who'd like to know, you will be contacted if you win, so that you could give me your personal email so that I can send it to Scalpa and they can give you access to the course. The big prize. Okay. I wanted to add on a prize for those that are further along in their journey, and I want to offer something really good. So, look at here, 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 look at here. I went ahead and picked up a masked P10 micro shading, or PMU, tattooing pen. I opened it to make sure that it was not a box of rocks. But here it is in the color red. Let me take it out and show you guys. Right here. To let you know it is real, very much so. Came with some other items, but I bought it on Prime Day, so I was more concerned about the actual pen. I went ahead and added two blank skins for those who want to try any ombre brows or any other kind of blank practice. Because with the foot pedal power cord, here is the power supply. Right here, it is a Dragon Hawk tattoo power supply. It also came with some tape for your gun. These are the liners, and that is the shaders. So those are the prizes. The first prize is a Scalpa course for microblading, and the second prize is a Dragon Hawk masked P10 tattoo gun with assorted supplies so that you guys can practice, get good, get great out here. I want to see some of the best brows I ever seen, okay? I went ahead and did a updated cut brow tutorial. Stay tuned for that. Go ahead and enter the giveaway. So I actually don't know when I'm going to end the giveaway, but I am going to put it right here. that is the end of the giveaway, where I will announce the winner, and I might even have a live lottery type of thing so I could show you guys who won. Good luck to everybody. I love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye.